Thank you very much for your visit. Welcome again to your channel Transmission Lines Engineering TV. It has been a long journey, but I think step by step we have built the structure of this channel. Thank you very much for your patience before going into the technical topics, but trust me, it is necessary. Well, previously in video A1-13 we have seen how to store the digital information in our virtual folders within our computer networks. Having this built, now we will see how to generate a document that will serve to have a total control over each document issued per discipline. In this case, we will focus on the transmission lines engineering discipline, but the remaining ones can use the same philosophy to add it into their very own information. We will develop the master documents list. The way I do it is by a spreadsheet in which I can have the list of each document that I have generated, either for internal use between disciplines or for sending exclusively to the client or for construction and client simultaneously. Every document, as mentioned before, can be seen in further detail, so you can devise the spreadsheet as follows. Column document description, where a more detailed description of the document will be provided. Column document code. Each document, either be a calculation document, a drawing, informative document, etc., is referred to its previously established code, which will have a consecutive number and its revision under the syntax project code, area, document type, consecutive, and revision. For example, for structure location drawings, we have sheet number 1, 2, and 3, each one on revision 1. Column current revision. With this column, the most recent version of the document can be identified immediately. Column current archive location in network. Here's where the link or hyperlink to the folder where each document is stored into our network. In this way, we have a direct access to the current document which is going to be available. Column file name. Very often it happens that when we receive a hyperlink to the location of a document, when we get into that link, it turns out that we have a huge amount of files to look for, but nobody tells us which one is the file we're looking for. And there we are scrambling one by one, looking for the bingo one until we find it, or it turns that it's not there. So with this system, we'll be able to achieve three things at once. Number one, we will know the name of the electronic file to search. Second, the folder where it is located will only contain the current file and not a pile of information. And three, all information that is obsolete, we can move it to the superseded folder, and in this way have a history of each document. Now, column for comments. In this column, you can mention those changes made to the documents in each of your current version for easy and quick reference. For example, structures location drawings. We see each drawing has a consecutive number followed by a revision. We see as well the location within its respective folder in the current revision, and the previous revisions to those drawings are in the superseded folder. And now we have to assign the code of each document in the same way as we saw in the previous video A1-13. And now at the end, the way in which we have the structures of the folders, the names of the electronic files, the master documents list along with their hyperlinks Now we have built a complete system to monitor all the documentations for all the related areas for a transmission line project. I hope this way of managing the information has been helpful. The objective, as always, is to try to provide you information that will help for your transmission line projects, not only to the engineering area, but to the rest of the involved disciplines. Thank you very much for your kind visit. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments. So until next video, Transmission Lines Engineering TV, training to power the world.